shit, don't it?
Yep.
Oh, that was a good one.
I keep missing them.
Ow.
Camera don't zoom out far. Or,
Are you trying to take a picture of it, or?
I already tried that.
Yeah, I just recorded it.
I got part of that. Feel like right above, right there.
Yeah, if you just wait for it.
I was sitting here for a while waiting for it.
Oh, man, you got that?
Yeah. At least what the camera could catch.
Damn, that's spider across the whole
You
sky.
can zoom out pretty far on this, but when you zoom back in, you don't get it enough because I got it set on that widescreen crap. I haven't switched it off yet.
Wow, dude. That was badass. You seen that shit? It fucking went whoosh with a fucking shower, man. That was wicked. You broke your radio, man.
Yeah.
It don't work now. No, we tried. Oh shit.
What
That
the
was
heck, man? All the good ones are like out of the way.
Oh shit, there
Damn.
it goes. Yeah.
Camera's recording.
I ain't redoing it neither.
I don't care.
What, you say shit?
No.
You say shit, Cody? He said, oh fuck. Damn.
As soon as this hits 10 minutes, I'm gonna just go to the settings and make it where it's not widescreen.
You can edit it too. You can go
I don't have
in-
the software on my computer at the time.
Yeah, no, you can go into Windows Media.
What, Center
Yeah,
or
there's,
Windows Media Player?
There's
Maybe Windows Media Center.
yeah, they got like a photo or a video, Windows video photo shit. And you can take clips, sequences. Take the shit out that's... Whoa!
I missed that one.
Damn! Oh man!
I'm gonna be sitting out for at least 20 minutes. I'm gonna get too bit.
Solid shit.
I was out there near the road, but they're right above us, so I don't feel like getting. I don't feel like
Dude,
getting
that's
barbecued.
wicked. It's spidering across the whole sky.
I was just watching someone computer.
Shit.
There's a big storm headed in our way.
Oh,
Holy shit!
it getting better.
It was a bigger one than that earlier.
It was there's tornado warnings amongst it too.
Oh, and it's almost dark too. How am I supposed to get a tornado on camera if it's dark?
See, this is the kind of shit you see in Las Vegas, not fucking Florida.
Florida's haywire.
Yeah, why don't you stand there and put your hand on that? Give yourself more of a chance,
I'm just checking my shit's locked.
Travis.
That's cool as shit.
I mean, I like storms like this, but I don't like them when they come close.
I like them when they're above us so I can get good shots of them.
That's so awesome.
I was trying to get pictures, but I couldn't get it in time.
Steady rolling in. Wow. So mom come around and look at it. What's doing
Keep that off. Turn it off.
You're messing it up. Turn it off.
Oh
Wow.
yeah.
Got some of that.
Hold it straight up, like near that, up there.
See, it's on widescreen. I can turn that off. What is this? Gonna become a gathering out here or something?
This is awesome.
Lightning.
The lightning's like you see in Vegas, how it spiders across the sky.
I've never seen lightning this
Well,
bad.
you haven't seen it like this.
Not here though.
This is crazy, man.
I've never seen it. I've never seen it this bad in Florida.
Yeah, I don't see it like as much as it's doing.
Radar thing, and the yellow is severe thunderstorms, and the red is tornado warning.
Yeah.
It's fun watching this.
I
Yes.
say we all grab a stick marshmallows on me, and stand out in the road.
I got a rebuy bar over there we can hold. We can hold that up in there.
That's great.
I'll get on the roof and I'll swing it
Hit
around.
that crane over there, lightning. Zap!
That'd be cool. No. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Got that one.
If you're looking right at it.
Cody said he was out here. It was so bright at one point that
Yeah,
made
it's
some
way out
spots.
there.
Oh.
Alright, Trav, I don't want you out here too long.
I'm gonna be out here a while.
No.
Yeah.
Where's those rods at? You guys want to run around?
Yeah, let's run around and play
I
chicken
got
and
an
lightning.
aluminum pole you can run around with.
Yeah. We should try that.
See if you can conduct something.
Maybe we'll put a turkey on the other end.
If we hook up the electrical and run out there.
Yeah.
Go for it, man.
Let's get the RC car and a fucking big metal rod hanging from the top.
Actually, I've used it. I've used when I was playing the RC car out here. I've used it out here before, and that line's gotten close when I was using it. So I don't use it no more like this.
Get on my lawnmower.
But it-
Get on the
Your lawnmower's got rubber wheels on that thing, so
I'll catch metal rods.
if I can find the video, I saw a video of this car driving down the road and lightning struck it. It went right through the path.
Oh, there it goes.
Man, I'm glad I came out here.
PS3, Xbox is on my TV.
My Xbox ain't on. My TV and my stereo and computer's on. My Xbox and TV's
So
off.
if everything
There's not much coming down though. It's all Spider-Man in the sky.
It's all heat lightning mostly.
Nah, dude, that's
No, I
straight
mean
up
it's
lightning.
I know it's lightning. I'm just saying it's mostly heat lightning.
Yeah.
So if my
There's a lot of
PS3 TV and computer gets struck, there goes about $1,500.
It would-
700.
It'd be worth it.
700 alone on the computer.
500 on the TV.
Oh.
Oh.
Shit, yeah.
The screen went all white. This camera ain't good.
I feel like I got hit.
Hey man, run out the rod. I'm gonna videotape you. I'm gonna